Welcome to Vidya Viber Public School. The first topic we are going to learn animal. This is for the month of December. So, draw a circle and for the ears, draw like a U and eyes is very small and draw one circle on top, draw another circle and draw a mouth. So, this is for the leg and then hands. So we'll start coloring for this bear. Now I'm using a pink color. Color it very evenly for the face. Now I'll draw in between one U here for the body. So the remaining places I'll color completely pink. Even I want you to use pink color. Don't leave more white spaces. Color it completely. If you started with dark coloring, complete the coloring with the dark. If you started with lightly, as like how I am doing, you should do completely with a very light pink. Then now I'll use a brown color. And even for the hands, and also for the leg, for the foot, and for ears. For the eyes, nose, I'm using a black color. So here is bear is ready. The second topic, vegetable printing. This is for the month of December. So now the material required brush, paint and a baby potato. To cut this potato, you can use the help of spoon or you can take a help of elders. So the blue color I use here, just tap, see like this. If the paint is very less, again you should take a brush and apply little like this completely to the potato and then again tap like a flower petals. Yes, like a flower, you should do the color. You can go with any color which you like. Here I am taken a green color. I'll draw the stem and leaf. Draw the leaf both the side. See, remember, while cutting the potato, you should take a help of elders, or else you can cut it in a spoon. Third topic, boat. This is for the month of December. Draw the straight line and one curve. Then again draw one box on the shape. Then again one curved line. Draw 3 circles in between a box and draw again parallel line and circles, and draw one flag on top of boat. So boat is ready. We'll start coloring. Now I taken a green color. See, for this there is no particular color. What I'm using, you should do same. You can go with your favorite colors and make it very colorful. Here I'm using a green color. Then next I'll use a orange for the parallel line. Then we'll use a red color. Yes, so we'll use a red color. Now I'll take a black color and coloring this complete circle. And pink. So color it in the proper angle. It means always, I told, if you started coloring from left to right, you should use same direction. So now take a brown color and for the flag we'll use red color. So the boat coloring is finished. Now we'll go for the water. So draw curvy line like this and then start coloring completely a blue color. See, can you see the direction how I'm using? Even you should use in the same wave motion. Okay. If you started with the dark, you should complete with the dark. If you are started with very lightly, do it very lightly, because the color should be very evenly when you are coloring. It should be always even. So here boat is ready with the coloring. The first topic we learn animal. The second topic we learned vegetable printing. The third topic we learned a boat. Thank you.